Hello and welcome to this TPdoc onboarding video that covers the second part of the controlled transaction section, the economic analysis, in which we analyze whether the controlled transaction under review was performed under arm's length conditions. Let's get started. In the first step, the chosen transfer pricing method must be selected. In practice, typically the transactional net margin method or the TNMM. In the box below here, the user can provide an explanation for choosing the most appropriate TP method, or further down below for not choosing the other methods. In the next step, the actual performance of the least complex entity can be provided. In this case, the German LRD realized an operating margin of 3.25%, and note that on the other side, it is also possible to provide the performance of the entrepreneurial party for a more corroborative analysis. After that, the summary results of a benchmark study can be added. As we see here, these include the PLI, the region, the database, the financial years used for the analysis, and of course the benchmarked interquartile range. At the bottom, a benchmark report can also be added for audit trail purposes, which will in the end also be automatically attached to the corresponding local file. Because multiple benchmark studies can be added for one transaction, for example for routine entities in multiple geographic regions, in the allocation step here, users can match or link the right benchmark study to the corresponding entity flow. The last page contains an arm's length check and indicates whether the performance falls within the benchmarked interquartile range of results. At the bottom, segmented P&Ls for each entity can be uploaded in Excel format to reconcile the performance with the statutory accounts of each entity. For example, to substantiate the 3.25% operating margin that was achieved by the German LRD, as we can remember. The same applies for the transactional volumes that can be uploaded per intercompany transaction and per entity flow, again using TPdoc's Excel template format. That is how an economic analysis is performed in TPdoc per intercompany transaction. Thanks again for watching and hope to see you in the next video.